What's up, guys? BDigi Crypto here. If you like crypto mining and crypto, hit the subscribe button, hit the likes, leave a comment. Today we are going to be installing these two 3070s and this 3080 onto this rig here. Gonna up the hash rate, so stick with us. Alright guys, so we got the rig out. Now we're gonna add these cards, and I don't know what I was thinking. I only have two PCIe lanes left over. I need to get the M.2 PCIe adapter attached to that guy, then we'll put the 3080 back on. So we're only gonna put the two 3070s on. So here we go. GPU risers. And we got PCIe to power riser. Pre-plug these guys in because they get pretty tough to plug in once the card's on there. Plug these bad boys in. So now we just gotta plug these guys into the power supply, and then we will be rocking. And now we need PCIe cables, splitter, dual 8-pin for the top there to power the cards. Let's get those plugged in. All right, there we go. We are all wired up. So now We are gonna throw her back on the shelf, get her plugged in, and we will see you in Hive OS. Alright guys, here we are on Hive OS. Looks like here, yep, 1 and 2, both EVGA 3070s that we just put in. Everything's hashing properly. We went from 248 or 44 mega hashes before. Now we are at 366. So that is awesome. Now we just gotta get that M.2 port to get that other PCI lane running, and then we'll get that 3080 installed, get us up another 100 mega hashes. So appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I appreciate it. Take care.